Let me now further elaborate on the macroeconomic situation, the outlook and the background of the MPC's decision. First, inflation has indeed risen sharply in November and may remain elevated for a few months. However, the forces driving up inflation appear to be transient. The spike in inflation is essentially due to food prices impacted by unseasonal rains that have caused damage to standing kharif crops. Meanwhile, Rabi sowing is catching up rapidly, and full reservoir levels will provide a cushion against the vagaries of weather. Therefore, there is a case for looking through the current food price spike, but it would be prudent to await greater clarity on how the inflation path evolves, given the likelihood that several food prices may stabilize by Q4 of 1920.